The second easiest chord I would say is C, and it sounds like this. The first chord we took a look at was E minor. It sounds like that. E minor, you play all 6 strings. With C, you play 5 strings. And which one you don't play is the top thick one. So you play everything but the thickest string. And the configuration for this one is ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. You skip a string where that one, this one, which is the G string, no fingers on there at all. And then pointer finger on the B string, which is that 2nd to thinnest. And then you leave that high E open. So you play all of that together, and it sounds like a C. And you can play C and E minor together if you've gotten that down. So it sounds like this. Give it a shot. Let me know how you feel about it.